How to fix authorization failed on MetaTrader 5. So let me simply show you how to fix authorization failed on MetaTrader 5 login. So let's say you are trying to log into your MetaTrader 5 account and you're seeing authorization failed, or let's say you are doing something with your MetaTrader 5 and you're seeing the authorization failed error just like this on the screen. This is what you can simply do. First, hit the subscribe button if you are new here. Now let's dive right into the video. So right here on your device, the first step you need to take is to go to your phone setting. Go to your phone settings like this, then scroll right here on your phone settings and look for where you can see app manager or apps, just like mine. Go ahead and click on it like this. So looking here, you can see different apps that are already installed on your device. So you just need to go ahead and search for MetaTrader 5. So when you do that, go ahead and click on it like this. At the bottom here, you need to scroll like this. Looking here, you can see storage. So you need to go ahead and click on storage and click on clear cache and also click on clear data. So go ahead and click on clear cache like this and clear data. So when you go back to your MetaTrader 5 app, so let's simply go ahead and search for MetaTrader 5 on our device. So when you go back to your MetaTrader 5 app like this, they're going to ask you to accept their terms and condition. So you need to go ahead and accept their terms and condition and log into your MetaTrader 5 account. So this is how simple it is to fix this error message which says authorization failed on your MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.